Did you know chronic hiccups might be your body crying for help? That annoying spasm isn't random. It's your vagus nerve struggling from B vitamin deficiency. When you're stressed and eating poorly, this crucial nerve that connects your brain to your stomach becomes overworked and misfires. The solution? Leafy greens like spinach, rich eggs, and salmon, packed with B vitamins, can restore your nerve function naturally. Your digestive system and those involuntary hiccups are more connected than you think. Stop accepting the cycle. Nourish your nervous system instead.